Hey guys, welcome back to the video. So you've reached the segment of the tutorial now where we're actually going to perform a call to the USA through the YateBTS 2G base station. And we're going to make a call, and I think you guys know who the special guest is going to be on my channel. So we'll go ahead and run a few commands to get our base station up and running. So I'm going to hit enter on the Yate command. I'm going to hit enter on this second command in the second window here, which will show us SIP, SDP, and RTP packets flowing over my Ethernet adapter. And then we are going to run this third command, which will show us the call setup packets in the GSM layer 3. So that's pretty cool. So I'll run those three commands. I'm going to turn my phone off flight mode now that I see that the base station has stabilized. I've actually grepped the output of Yate to just show me any packets relating to the SIP voice over IP connection. And we can see that my Samsung S8 here has successfully touched to the base station. So we're actually going to proceed and make the call now. So I just need to activate my capture card. My audio capture. So you can actually hear the special guest talking. So let's proceed and make the call, shall we?
Hello. Please state your name after the tone, and Google Voice will try to connect you.
Rob.
Rob, this is Aaron.
Hey, Aaron, how's it going? Great to have you on, dude.
Yeah, thanks for calling. Seems to be working really well.
Yeah, absolutely. And that's all thanks to your excellent tutorials. I managed to find a voice over IP provider that managed to work with YateBTS. So thank you very much for your hard work in getting this running.
But no problem. So this is running over what, the BladeRF or A9 or 4 or something, or
I'm using my BladeRF XA4 version. And yeah, it seems to be really, really stable. I'm actually running Yate on a dual CPU computer, so it's very, very stable, and it's got a nice stable gigabit fiber connection as well. So everything's running really good.
that's awesome. That's great. I'm glad you got this running. I don't feel like many people have had the fortune of getting the VoIP, or the back end working like this.
Yeah, I know. It's really cool that you managed to figure that out, and yeah, using your tutorial, I managed to get it working. So excellent. So a lot of people on my channel know that I'm a huge fan of you, Aaron. So I'm a little bit starstruck right now. So why don't you tell us like what you do and what like your radio and SDR and Linux hobbies all about?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm just kind of taking a break right now. Traveling around a little bit. I started working on I think I was telling you earlier, a new Dragon OS build based on 24.04. And funny enough, I've got that, how do you pronounce that? Neomod DVB. I just was trying to install the Debian package there in 24.04, so I'll have to message that developer there. But yeah, just trying to keep busy with different SDRs. I've got the Signal SDR Pro that was sent over, and looking at some of those PCIe type SDRs to try different things. Maybe possibly put one on a drone and fly it around in the air. I've been wanting to do that. Seems like forever. And then honestly, those War Dragon kits that I had mentioned to you, that's really kind of taken up all my other spare time. Really surprised how well those are doing with just, providing a kit. Most recently, really kind of focusing on detecting drones is a big thing over here domestically. And so, yeah, all that's kind of keeping me busy. But I'm looking forward to getting this new Dragon OS, whatever I'm going to call, I guess, Noble, or whatever the 24.04 is, out there. Maybe that's something you could even try soon.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, is it Noble Numbat or something like that? I don't know, something like that. Anyway, Ubuntu always has funny names. But yeah, I know that
Yep.
you're a big fan of your War Dragon project. I've seen a lot of reviews, and you've been featured on the SDR blog, RTO SDR blog a fair bit regarding your War Dragon project. So yeah, that's really cool. I actually found out about you because I was trying to get Iridium decoding working, and I couldn't for the life of me figure out how to use GR Iridium and Iridium Toolkit. And it was actually, I read a Reddit post, and someone was saying you should just try Dragon OS because it's got all that stuff included. So that's actually how I found out about you. And yeah, most people on my channel know that been a massive fan of you since. So yeah, it's a bit of an honor to have you on here, Aaron. That's my backstory about how I know about you anyway.
Well, I got to say, your videos are very detailed, and I love pulling them up and watching how you go, really in depth on the specifics. I generally like gloss over and try to show the install a little bit here or there, but very impressive videos, especially the GSM series that you did. So it's always good, and you give me ideas too. So it's really been kind of a back and forth, and I appreciate all the work that you're doing as well.
Yeah, no worries, Aaron. Yeah, I'm a big fan. I do everything I can to promote your videos and everything. I think it's a criminal that I have more subscribers than you, so I always try and get people like go and subscribe to Aaron. Like, don't follow me, go follow Aaron. Like, so yeah, no, it's good. I enjoy your videos too. I watch every single one of them when they come out. So if I'm like cooking or something, I'll put them up on the big TV while I'm cooking and stuff. And yeah, it's just yeah, I love everything that you do. It's really good.
I think it's your accent that I got to develop some kind of like accent, better than what I have, and maybe I'll draw more viewers.
That's all right, mate. All you need to do is learn how to say shrimp on the barbie, and you've officially got an Australian accent.
There we go. So,
Yeah.
what is your next, I guess, project? What are you going to figure out how to get incoming calls, maybe, or?
Yeah, I actually had a little bit of luck with that. The number dialed and everything. It's just something on the YateBTS end that's not connecting. So I'm definitely going to look more into that. And as for other projects, I've just, I'm a big fan of satellite stuff. So that's keeping up a lot of my time lately. Man, I've sort of got a group of 5 buddies here in Australia. We're sort of spread out over the whole country, and we sort of all talk together online, and we hunt interesting data and television signals on satellites. So that's keeping a lot of my time busy, and yeah, a lot of the cellular stuff too. Love a good cellular video, and I've actually got a series of open source intelligence coming out. So we're going to be like tracking vehicles using DMR AVL. We're going to be decoding AIS for like tracking ships, and we might even do some ADSB tracking aircraft as well. So I'll sort of do like a open source intelligence series, I think, or open source RF intelligence anyway.
Oh, that's great. I speaking of satellites, you got me into when that Discovery dish went up for, I guess, by the RTL SDR people, and that finally came in. So I was out in the backyard, dug a hole, put concrete, and now you got me into. I got obviously a smaller dish and just have it pointed up, getting weather, but still very interesting.
Yeah, I'm a big fan of satellites too. I dabble in Iridium, Thuraya, Inmarsat. They're all your L band satellites, and I also love KU band. That's your TV satellites, and haven't really done too much weather. We're not blessed like you guys are in the US to have a geostationary weather satellite. We do have the orbital satellites though, and if you sort of just point a VHF antenna up in the air, you can almost receive it on a handheld when it flies over, and it just blasts the little Bofang handheld away. It's pretty cool.
Oh, that's great. I will say, I guess that I didn't realize that. I just pointed the dish, and next thing I know, I'm getting all these just imagery, rain, precipitate, things I didn't even know that I would get pulled down. And yeah, I guess it's pretty fortunate that the dish is it's always in sight, it seems like.
Yeah, that's outstanding. And I guess you got a sneak preview of that dish, didn't you? I don't think it's for sale officially yet, but I intend to get one. Yeah, they look very, very cool.
Yeah, you should be able to. I think it's out there. Um, yeah, you should check and see, and maybe you'll be able to do some other cool things with it.
Yeah, I hope so. I hope I'll be able to use Dragon OS with it anyway. So yeah, like I normally do. I do a lot of stuff with Windows, but primarily all the RF stuff happens exclusively in Linux now, and that's all because of you.
And I am just blown away by the quality of this call. It just seems like a normal call.
Absolutely, and after I hang up the phone, we better wrap it up soon. We're approaching 10 minutes, but yeah, just after I hang up the phone with you, I'm actually going to show my viewers how to actually view the decoded voice, which is being captured by Wireshark currently. So yeah, that'll be pretty cool. Maybe you'll learn something about it too.
Oh yeah, definitely. Let me know when you put that video up. I'd love to see that. And yeah, I like I said, thanks for thinking of me and having me on here. I'm looking forward to the video.
The honor's all mine, my friend. Thanks very much for coming on. I appreciate it. Hey, let's do another collaboration with some other RF method in the future. That'll be fantastic.
Yeah, I'm going to think about it. Yeah, definitely. I would love to do that.
Sounds good, Aaron. Thanks very much for coming on, mate. I'll leave you to it and let you go. I guess it's pretty late there now, so
yeah, I'll go down and wrap things up here, and yeah, I look forward to seeing what else you do here soon.
Thank you very much, Aaron. Likewise, mate. I can't wait to check out your next video. Have a good night, hey? Take it easy. See you later.
All right, take care. All right, bye.
Okay, guys, so that is... if you just give me one moment, I'll just kill the audio from the phone. Okay, there we go. So that was a call to the USA via my 2G base station, which is attached to a computer with a USB, and I'm calling the USA. That is absolutely amazing. So yeah, thanks very much to Aaron for taking 10 minutes of his day to have a chat with me. So thanks very much for that.